Good afternoon, I am Anna, and today I'm going to talk about how to keep your mental health during isolation. As you know, we're going through a difficult situation because of the coronavirus or COVID-19 and we can't go out. Just one person per family can do it once a week to buy home needs. Now I'm going to give you some tips to keep your mental health during this time that we just have to stay at home. First of all, eating good and having a proper nutrition creates health in all areas of life, both physical, emotional, and spiritual. It also strengthens the brain system that is in charge of emotions. Between this food that can help us, we can find fish, vegetables, some grains, coffee, tea, and chocolate. Now, secondly, I'm going to talk about news. I know that watching news is important and being updated is important too, but we have to find a balance between being updated and overloading our head with extra information. Because if you start looking for extra information all the time, you're going to get anxious and or depressed. So you just have to keep calm, and if you're with your family, try to do something that motivates you or that you have never done with them. For example, you can read a book and then comment about it. You can watch a movie, the common one, or you can do exercise. Thirdly, the sleepy time. The sleepy time is one of the most important parts of our daily routine, and we have to sleep between 7 and 9 hours to disconnect completely from the rest of the world. And finally, I'm going to give you an extra tip, and is not to take this quarantine, this isolation as something bad, because we are protecting each other, because as you know, you can get this virus at street or with contact with another person that has this virus. So thanks for watching, hope this had helped you, and that's it.